Hey guys, today I got this Dell Inspiron all-in-one computer. It has an Intel Pentium and 4GB of RAM. Today we're going to be upgrading it with the SSD and an Intel Core i5. First we have to remove the stand and remove the 4 screws. After you remove the screws, you can remove the back. First we're going to do the CPU upgrade, so we need to remove this shield. After I remove the 6 screws, I'm able to lift up the cover. Now we need to remove 4 screws to remove the heatsink. Then I'm able to pull off the heatsink. Now let's remove the thermal paste from the CPU and heatsink. Now we're able to remove our Intel Pentium. Now we installed our Intel i5. After I put some thermal paste on, now I'm able to put the heatsink back on. Now let's install our solid state drive, so we need to remove 3 screws. Now let's remove the hard drive from its caddy. After we have the SSD installed in the caddy, we can mount it back with the 3 screws and connect it. After we put the plate back on, now we can screw in the back. Now let's install the stand. Now I installed the stand. Alrighty, there's the i5 and there's the SSD. Alright guys, that's it.